Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here you get everything about tarot reading, astrology, numerology, dream interpretations, and much more. This is one place to stop by. As you know already, I'm starting this 2022 prediction series for each zodiac signs. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video. One more thing, please check your sun, moon, rising signs too because this is the general reading, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So let's start with the very second sign of the zodiac, that means Taurus. For your love reading, two cards have come out from the deck. The first card will be a Page of Wands, and the second card is Page of Cups. For some of you, you might be waiting for the love of your life, but you need to be prepare yourself for the love relationships first. As the card suggests, this is not the matured feeling, or you are dealing with the person who is not matured enough or ready for any kind of commitment at this moment. This person is little bit flirty with others as well. So don't force things as time reveals everything about this connection. For some of you, you might be dealing with fire signs or water signs. Fire signs are passionate and love adventures all the time. But when it comes to water signs, they prefer more stability than anything else. If this is the case, then it's time to rethink about it, as you both have to put a lot of work into this connection to work. Some may be getting some good news soon, and you and your partner will experience excited time in the relationships. If you are single, then expect to have a partner who is passionate, and you will be very happy with this person also. And one more thing, you have to work on your relationships if you want to be successful in this connection, because this person don't like to do because this person don't like controlling in relationships. So you have to make yourself and this person free from all the baggages which you have in these relationships. Let's jump to your career and finance reading. It is Eight of Wands. This minor arcana is the very positive omen when it appears in the reading. This is the card for success, speed, movement, and so much positive things. It may also shows work-related travel, maybe overseas, such as attending meetings, conferences, etc. But be cautious that you don't take any decisions in haste. Think twice before taking high risk. You can expect a successful time for your career and finances, as this minor arcana shows positivity in your career. Now, let's have a look at your health reading. What your health reading has in store for you. If you are having some health issues, then try some old ways such as Dadi Maa ka Batwa or Dadi Maa ke Nuskes, or any kind of Ayurvedic treatment to get rid of ailments you have. Of course, after consulting to the professionals, start some fitness regime under the observation of the trainer so that you would enjoy the perfect health. And now it's time for your angel message. The angel message have come up with the card that is three of abundance for you, and with this card the angels wants you to know that it's time to go for your passions, go for the things that you love, that you wanted to do in your life, your heart's most desires, without having any second thoughts in your mind. If you are at the primary level, then take some classes and get a mentor in order to be successful in this new venture. Allow your creativity to blossom like a flower and spread some happiness around. If you are doing what makes you happy, then there is a high chance of getting success, not only financially but it also gives you a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. You will get recognition and award for your creative work. So that's it for today, Taurus, and thank you so much for watching this video. Do consider subscribing to this channel, like and share this video.